Here's one miserable mistake you should avoid at all costs in Python. Suppose you have a list called A. Next, pretend you want to loop through this list, so you say for A in A, print A. Now, if you run this, it would print perfectly fine. It's going to loop through A, assigning the value of A to A each time it goes through that loop. But at the same time, we've actually made a miserable mistake here. Because now if we want to append to A some new elements, you'll notice that if we try to append 4, we're going to get an error. And the reason we get this attribute error is because even if we initially created A as a list, as soon as you create a for loop, this turns into a variable that grabs each value from the list and assigns it to A temporarily. So as soon as you print A at the bottom, you'll notice that it's going to print the last value that it grabbed from the list. So always make sure that you're using a creative name when you're looking through a list, because you do not want to accidentally change other variables.